Hey, what's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is R5 and today I'm taking you all behind the scenes on how I shot this campaign for this tanning brand based in Montreal. I'm shooting this with a parabolic umbrella that I'm shooting through the 12x12. I got the frame to put the 12x12 diffuser at the rental store here in Montreal just to make sure I wasn't hanging the diffuser on a pole or something like that. So for the first setup, since we were going for before and afters, I had to put the camera on a tripod to get that consistency, especially in that setting, because the goal was to get some before without the tan and the after photos with the tan. So I had to keep the same position of my camera, same position of, you know, the height and even with the lens itself. I was shooting through the 12x12 with my umbrella, the big light. It was just one light. The other ones that are on top over there, I wasn't using them because those were like the fixtures that were already at the studio. Once again, I was tethering in capture 1 just to make sure we could see everything that was happening, but I also had a different monitor that I can just project whatever I was shooting on the laptop to be projected on the monitor. Once we were done with the before and afters, I wanted to get something a little bit different. I wanted to put the light a little bit above. So what I did, I put that 12x12 right on top, but I shot with a bare ball with the light. I shot through the ceiling to bounce off and come back through that diffusion just to give me that consistent light, to give me that very soft light. Since I was shooting through this big 12x12 and the way I positioned the light, I didn't have to do much in terms of positioning the light differently because I wanted something consistent, but also I was following the mood board that they had sent me. So for me, it was easy in a sense that everything was consistent. Even if I was shooting 2 or 3 models at the same time, or even 5 models at the same time, it was the same light. I was shooting with the Canon R5 and the 24-105 lens, so that made it easier for me to just change different, you know, focal length and even different angles at some point. For this shoot, I needed an assistant, so I asked one of my students, my photography student, to come along and see and help me, of course, and also learn how it works on set to work with clients. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, you already know what time it is. It's your boy R5, baby. I'm out. Cheers.